In this video, I'm going to show you how to track CNfans Parcel. So it's actually quite simple. First, what you have to do is click over here on your avatar, top right, when you are logged in, and then you want to click My Orders over here, and then inside orders you will be able to see all your orders by clicking all. So right now I have no orders, but for this tutorial this isn't necessary, because you'll be able to see your order, and then just above the order you will be able to see your tracking number, and tracking number usually looks something like this that I pasted over here. So it will be a hashtag CNF and then a specific number next to it. Just copy this, so copy CNF and then these numbers next to it, right click, copy, and then what you want to do to get the tracking site, you want to click over here to contact support, their support bot, and just type in I'd like to track my parcel. Then they will tell you what you have to do, and they will say please open the parcel page and then check the tracking number on your package, which we have already did. And then as you can see, it says you can also copy the tracking number to a professional logistics query website for query, and the URL to this is as follows over here. So you want to go to this URL, and just to show you the image before we do that, as you can see over here, you will get your shipping time, and in case the thing still hasn't been shipped that you ordered, you can click tracking details over here. But if you really can't see this, you want to go to their website. So if you go to parcel, and if you can't see any shipping buttons, what you have to do is click on this link over here, and then it will open up this website where you will have to paste in your tracking link. So once you have this tracking number, press track, and then it will find your parcel and tell you where it currently is. So as you can see, I just typed in a completely random number, so it's unknown, it cannot find it, but when you will put in your actual tracking number, you'll get the information about your shipping and you'll be able to track your parcel. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.